Hello there. This small countertop model door video shows the installation steps for flat strap pivots. 1. Prepare the door and head with 5mm deep pockets using a 25mm clean-cut spade bit and a chisel. 2. Fit the pivots to the door and install the door head first. 3. Pre-drilling screw holes will make it easy. 4. Screw fix the bottom pivots to the floor. 5. Complete screw fixing the top pivots into the head pocket. The nylon PFS 35 flat strap pivots are for 35mm doors to 35 kilograms. They are ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets and robes.